This evening, a Stamford man with a lot of heart is sharing his story of overcoming setbacks and achieving a dream. It's one of positivity, something we can all use during this pandemic. Here's News 12 Connecticut's Marissa Alter.
Mayanas River Park in Stamford is Arun Sinha's training grounds.
I've been coming to this park for a good number of years. For the past 10 years, I've been thinking of climbing Mount Everest. I ate, drank, slept, talked about it.
Sinha was set to finally do it in the fall of 2018. But at a doctor's visit before he left, Sinha flunked a stress test. The diagnosis?
Multiple blockages in the arteries that feed his heart, such that he was really at significant risk if he were to do something like try to climb Mount Everest.
In all, I consulted at least 15 doctors. I did not believe it.
Surgery was scheduled at Mount Sinai Morningside by coincidence for the day he was supposed to climb to base camp.
We wanted to give him a bypass operation that would last decades for him and allow him to return to completely normal activity.
Sinha spent 5 days in the hospital, but his recovery was only just beginning.
The fifth day, I had to walk a little bit. Could not walk 100 steps. That is the point that I said to myself, I'm really going to change this.
He began to come back to see me in the office with reports of walking, instead of the half a mile a day we'd like, Mr. Sinha is walking 5 miles a day.
Then this past fall, around the 2-year anniversary of his surgery, Sinha walked 100 miles across 26 mountains along the Appalachian Trail.
When you see the sign, the crossing of Georgia and North Carolina, it feels like you're completely liberated.
Man, we did it.
I love seeing his pictures, and he's been an inspiration to other patients as well.
Sinha says that's part of what kept him going on the trail and off.
I said, I absolutely have to do it to prove it to myself, but most importantly, to others.
In Stamford, Marissa Alter, News 12 Connecticut.
Dr. Puskis says Sinha shows not all patients will feel symptoms of heart disease. He stresses regular checkups are very important. Once this pandemic is over, Sinha hopes to climb Mount Kilimanjaro and Mount Everest.